बिड़ा फाउंडेशन के सहयोग से बच्चों के लिए खास निःशुल्क वैद्यकीय शिविर का आयोजन किया गया था। इस शिविर में 100 से अधिक बच्चों को वैद्यकीय जांच कराई गई। इस कार्यक्रम में बॉलीवुड अभिनेत्री रवीना टंडन मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में उपस्थित रही।
आप सबको बहुत ढेर सारा प्यार और आज बहुत ही खुश हूँ मैं। और हर साल होती हूँ जब मुझे कर्माकर जी बुलाते हैं हमारे फाउंडेशन के फाउंडेशन दिन पर। और हम लोगों को हो गए हैं करीब कितने साल रियली 10 से ज्यादा आई थिंक 14 15 16 साल तो हो गए हैं साथ में। एंड अब ये जितने यहाँ बच्चे हैं हर साल मैं उनको देखती हूँ, मुझे लगता है मेरे बच्चे जैसे बड़े हो रहे हैं। हर साल इन बच्चों को बड़ा देखती हूँ। आपकी मम्मी ने और हमने साथ में लास्ट टाइम भी फोटो खींचा था साथ में। नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप? ठीक। तो अच्छा लगता है हर साल बच्चों को देख के कि सिर्फ एक उम्मीद ही नहीं लेकिन एक बहुत खुश चेहरे देख के ये मुस्कुराहट देख के कि कहीं ना कहीं शायद हम सब मिलकर इनके लिए इनकी जो हमारी आगे की पीढ़ी है इनके फ्यूचर के लिए आज हम वो उम्मीद और इनको वो जो आशा है वो दे सकते हैं और ये खूबी निभा रहे हैं। और एक चीज आई वुड वांट टू से, ये सब मुझे लगता है मुमकिन नहीं होता until and unless मैं खुद जब उनसे मिली, मैं आई कॉल हिम द मैन विद अ विजन एंड अ मैन विद अ मिशन. So vision and mission is something that was synonymous with Dr. Santosh Karman. एक इंस्पिरेशन है ये सबके लिए। तो पहले तो मैं इनको धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी। जानवी जी जो हर साल मैं इनसे मिलती हूँ, इनको भी धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी because she's also been doing such great work. I want to thank the kids for achieving what they're achieving, and you sing so brilliantly. Yes. So doctor with singing. तो आप सर्जरी करेंगी और गाना गाते गाते सुनाएंगी पेशेंट को। Her singing is not putting to sleep singing. Her singing is beautiful. जी। तो मैं समझती हूँ हम हमारे जितने बच्चे हैं बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं अपनी लाइफ में भी। और मेरी प्रार्थना उन सबके साथ है। जो हमारे पेरेंट्स हैं उनको भी कहूंगी that what fantastic work and what fantastic upbringing, and God be with you all, strength be with you all. I'm sure we are all here together as the Spina Bifida family. I would like to thank also sir who has come down, Mayor Vita Biotics, and Uma ji is also here. They have also been constantly supporting from a very long time, I think nearly 10 years now probably. And of course even Leelavati Hospital, Rajiv Mehta ji is here with us. I think come twice before for our Spina Bifida things at Leelavati itself. Yes. So I know that steadfastly you all have supported us and the foundation. And of course Neeraj ji, Dr. Neeraj ji, thank you for providing us this space to hold such a wonderful function. And congratulations to all of you all on the success of another well-deserved Foundation Day. A big round of applause for all of us. Thank you so much, Dr. Prabhas. I'm always inspired and obliged to you for everything.
Never say thank you so much.
No, I do say no at times. When you give me 150 tabs, you have to be there. But yes, there are times, unfortunately, when I'm not in town or I'm shooting and there's something or the other going on.
You're getting busier and busier.
But that's good now. We बच्चे बड़े हो गए now.
Okay.
I have to be there. So if I'm there, these guys are there. These guys are there. The message goes across. Everything is there. So it's all a consolidated effort from all of us. So again, आप सबको बहुत धन्यवाद for even being here this evening. All the doctors.
Let me say a big thank you to everyone who's here, because the seeds that we sowed in 2006 to start working for this cause have truly become a big giant tree. And this sapling and then a plant and now a tree has been nurtured not just by me, but I think everyone who's here. And most of all, by all the patients and families who have sought our help and in return given help to strengthen the foundation. So I must say that these bonds which we created many years back, and I must say that Raveena ji has been associated since the very beginning, when we that time launched a campaign called Folic Acid Ki Jai, which was I think 2015, and very amply supported by mere Vita Biotics. And so I first want to acknowledge Raveena ji and Uma ji, both strong, dynamic ladies and doing great work in their own fields. Nobody needs an introduction of Raveena, if I may call her that. And she's well known, we know, we've been seeing her films, and her career is as strong as it was when she began, I think in the 1990s. And now if you ask any youngster, they know KGF. So it's great. Yes. So I must say that somebody asked me, is Rasha coming? I said, well, if Raveena gets her, she will. But
She will take on the legacy of
Yeah.
all mine.
so both these women have not only handled their strong careers, but also been great mothers. Because I know of Uma's son, who's also a great business person, and he's in London. So thank you to them. Secondly, I want to thank Leelavati Hospital and its trustees. I mean, without a root that we struck in Leelavati Hospital, the foundation would not have grown. So I think amongst all the strong roots that the foundation has, one of the strongest since the beginning was Leelavati Hospital. And I'm very happy that Mr. Rajiv Mehta has come specially aborting his short holiday in Pune to be here with us today. The essential part of today's function was not to, tell you a lot about spina bifida and what it is, because most people here know what spina bifida is. We all know that it's a huge public health problem, in spite of all of us being working for it since many years. We now, I must say that since 2015, the foundation has just kept growing by leaps and bounds. And we today, from today, have appointed 4 new coordinators in 4 other parts of the country: Dibrugarh, Kolkata, Hyderabad, and Delhi. And there are demands that we do the same in many other parts. So I think it was difficult for us to help all these families and children who are scattered all over the country. And so we decided that it is time that we appointed coordinators in various parts of India so that the work can be carried out. And keeping in pace with the foundation appointing people in various cities, Mr. Rajiv Mehta, under his stewardship, I'm extremely happy to say that Lilavati Hospital has also decided to start Lilavati hospitals in Jaipur, Delhi, Indore, and I think you have signed Goa, and I believe an MOU with Assam government. So I think that will enable the foundation even more because we'll have the support of Lilavati Hospital in all these places. Without taking much time, we will go on with our main part of the function, and that is formally acknowledging all the people who have helped us in these last couple of years. So maybe I can, Sneha.